we found the initiative very exciting, very interesting, and it kind of fit in very well with the new culture initiative that we had launched, which was the CEO. It stands for Collaboration, Experimentation and Ownership. We felt this would help us in all the three values that we were promoting. Everybody has come up and said this is a great initiative. It has created an awareness amongst people that, they don't really have to go for long walks, but if they just get up and walk around, go to their colleagues instead of picking up the phone and calling them, so long as they clock in 10,000 plus steps, it's going to help them keep fit. And that has really helped people motivate one another to say, hey, come on, first of all, let's go down and take a walk after lunch. Or let's meet up over the weekend and do a walk. Let's, instead of calling each other, let's go across, I'll come across to your desk when I have work, and so on. So it's definitely helped, I would say, in creating that awareness. In our busy day-to-day lives, where most of our working hours or waking hours are spent at our place of work, simple things like, get up and walk across to your colleague's desk, or just walk one extra, I would say walk a few extra steps to the bus stop, walk a little extra to the station, walk to the bank. And your 100 days, 100 ways, I think, has been extremely helpful in motivating all our staff and in coming up with innovative ways to clock in those steps. I think it has already become a global movement, because every day when I log on to put in my steps, I definitely find that it has become a global movement. We've got, or rather you've got people who have sort of participating right from New Zealand to the Pacific. And it's very exciting because every day, or rather every few days, you realize that you've now reached the new destination. So I believe it's already reached the global stage. To see everybody in the office or in Tata Sky so motivated, and the fact that people have been very appreciative of this initiative and have personally come and said this is the best initiative that Tata Sky has launched till date. I think that in itself has, has said it all to me. I think Stepathlon for me personally has been a wow initiative. It's been an amazing initiative.